abusuafo mema kwa ababa tech space on XDN Ghana na ene no eye telcos won sensem ya na abrante ayefre no techintwi okay eye channel kese ba kwa efa tech jumadi wo Ghana ha o YouTube no abrante di nkomo bi wo eye X anase Twitter na yebekoni akwa akohwe ensem a oka ene how telcos no mu bi ene government agencies omo hwe eye tax won sensem eto won sensem eye the Ghana Revenue Authority GRA for no so no ye be hwe de omo so ka fa ho nti enche ho kwa no meseo bomodi ane subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon na wa ase onom no sene be ya abrebia ye post video a onsa be kan no etimi ahwe na share ma afoforo no mo so etimi aba behwe bi yencha ho kwa no se wo share video a etwaguo ya ubehu ubehu eye techintwi na Twitter account na wo share post bi o make here within 22 hours which is enra emu onom baby no we post he say please you are collapsing businesses that accept MOMO including mine. As a merchant, how do you expect me to pay tax on a refund I am making to my client after my client paid tax when sending initially? Nowhere in the world is this done. You are killing businesses. And kwafo bebre no ebe sounded to say bia attack ebi nso ebe te ase ehu baby a odi free because wabobo sansensem bi so severally, but I think say or try so be make case bia eni se Ghana ni bia den eji na adwen free so ehu ye na ebe boa ankra dwumakuo ene omo ye bojo dwumadie bia omo de fa MTN transactions ana MOMO enye MTN nko a saa so ne Voda cash ne de keka ka ho omo nyina I think say wo so omo de omo adwen ba saa ne ma we won na telcos ne ma yetimi hu se empo no aban hyehye bi ene ayere omo nsa amane ma ekosa ana se omo anso no ma hyeda no mo ye ne ma sa ba so omo antimi anka ama public na anti a yenso yentimi enhu de ekoso enti ubehu omampani Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo one the vice president Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia picture ewo honom na chese obi beka se agenda na pai agenda no apai gefe blenso yenko yebeto ato suppose ni bebre no I think say okoso abobo ne ema so ema telcos ni bi eyi ano eno pa na video ami me pese yede ye focus na ekoso nti se o hwa o say hey rade a tax on refund who does that chese wo no bi asende usika na adekwa nka oton wanya nto bi me wo se o sa asende nipa ni sika mano no o sende usika no eho tax bi obetua ne nasifo bia otua ba sika na bedi wonom na sika na mbambe ye sika ma wa mu wanya mfaso wo so biem ne wo se wo sa adane nipa ne sika de hye ne nsem no yesi tua eto wo se sika na wo send back no at what point ena telcos ni betimi ahu se ye refund nke ni se tax bia be de ebeda so ni se nkomutimete any amount on it enti yenko yenhwemu yenhwemu nko akiri wo de yenhwe transaction we oyeye no utimi hu se o make a transaction of 16,600 Ghana cedis to a particular number. No make it a transaction no o share tax eda ho a ubehu se 165 Ghana cedis. Fee for the transaction ne de o ma antehwe ne 0, but eto a omotifiri hu no 165 Ghana cedis out of 16,600 now dey or send ye no na ensem o kan ye ni o say I just realized the tax today, so I went back to check my recent payment. This payment was made for my MOMO pay merchant to pay for an item to sell and make a profit of 250 Ghana cedis. But the government taxed me 165 Ghana cedis. This means the government took 165 Ghana cedis from my 250 Ghana cedis. So I made 85 Ghana cedis. So what say a tax calculation no one sense ya eto no ye jewo umfaso a we den ubenya so in natural sense no if there was going to be a mechanism ebe say ampa wonfa so abenya wo dwadi a wudi 250 na nke ya tew sa ato na nke ha adwen nenso no yete to no on the 16,600 ni nyina enu nti eka ebe mu wo honom no nke wo se onya sika 250 cedis ba onya mu 85 cedis pe amanfo kire o ma adwen bebre e wo comment na se ebi ene ne ya adwen se ono nso sa pepepe ena omo ye omo didacte etore bia taxes bia wonte ase omo release any communicate to the public no omate sa pepepe na enam se Ghana for yenye angry enough yebunfu pi na yen prese benya ne mamu nhwehwemu ni ntino wo ya no mo ye di amanyame na obi ayeni awoso na oto aso said my business is currently down because my clients refuse to pay for the tax when I refund their MOMO their money for failed orders. They had already paid the tax when they placed their orders. Why is the government implementing this policy? Nti adwenkyerɛ de bebre amane to aso a enam interactions na surround this ankomodie we nti no omoto aso a edi enkomo ne bebre ema opposite twetwe government na adwen ba eye emre bi government statement a make about eye eto ho ene nsem bebre surround this anema we nyina osan so bo ne homoden ene MTN for sorry enya nkitahudie se ne be ya obetimi age nchiremu yie as to said de ban kura na esi na yenhwe asema MTN Ghana a ono nso account e wo Twitter no omo bebe ka fa sa asembwe hu another transaction bi a o make ma obi na ye 10,000 Ghana cedis omanji fee bia also nanso eto ne de omote na 100 Ghana cedis so what I say inti eho no na MTN for eba bechire mu say yellow we apologize for the tax deductions. This is due to a regulatory directive. Please visit the nearest GRA office with your business registration documents to update your records to prevent further charges. Thank you, Nikki. Not just a Nikki no ono ne gina mu a no dinkitahudie na ma MTN Ghana ewo Twitter na asema okan yenye nti mechiremu ana chese opese o chese eto na omote ewo eye business or merchant numbers ne so no sorry eye merchant numbers na e operate as businesses ne so no enam say business bebre no entua to nti no ana se omonsabdi omo to proper accounting emma GRA for ensu enhu se ampa faso se na wunya na faso wunya no mpo no utua ho to nti no new regulatory directive abama telcos no asem we me yi se omo kanene me nteye me ye sure se mu bebre nso nteye ene se omo make some of these tax deductions because say a directive omonsa aka na me sure say omonsa nkan free baby a say the government into or try say onko the nearest GRA office no find a business documents enko na onko updating the records na eno etimi aboa amana prevent further charges na you say we na ba ne sa na che say GRA for na omo handle MTN for MOMO system na omo ye deductions na say den na mpo no se omo make this directive no na ehun hia se MTN bema ne customers aye aware ana government agencies ene GRA for no so no na omo ntimi embo we hu dawuo se ne afoforo aka no na omo bo hu dawuo ma yete na eye de ben asem kwa ene ekoso wo man mu nti so ba comment na se ankofo bebre register omo displeasure at this statement na enye agro so kra nti wa ko na eko at tech_twi eye techintwi ne Twitter account no oko check wa obehu nkitahudie na ekoso no GRA for enso ebemu ebenya ho kasa se omonso no eye regulatory act which is the Electronic Transfer Levy Act 2022 Act 1075, that's 1075. Transfers from merchant accounts are not exempt from the E-Levy. They have always been taxable. The transfers that are exempt are transferred to merchant accounts when the merchant is a registered business with the GRA. Or or transfers between principal, agent, and master agent accounts. Hope this clarified things. Assembly de omaka to wobem. Nanso say ye pensem mu akoyi a GRA for no de omuchirem ni say Act 1075. That's the Electronic Transfer Levy Act, ETLA no. The essence from merchant accounts are not exempt from the E-Levy, okay? Transfers from merchant account are not exempt from the E-Levy. The opposite chain say merchant account ankasa no a free time I started say E-Levy to no. Merchant account and so taxable. Omo kan ho no omo so yeti omo to. Nti se mpo se first na unhu taxes na taxes no ewo ho no. Na the esa osa go further chire mu say transfers are exempt omo from those taxes no merchant accounts are omo merchant business registration no omo register with the GRA. But ahanom no nya kakra because answer na obenya MTN merchant semompo no was submit business registration documents, and the only registration document ubetimi submit no the ones provided by the Registrar General's Department. Businesses be a Ghana no, they have that registration. And it's a merchant simbi wo honom kwa na edin edaso no, it comes with the registration. Say businesses no register with GRA. At what point MTN for requested the documents or the registration documents or requested omo GRA, those 10 numbers and those stuffs free omo ye registration na ho. At what point omo ntimi enye clarification to even know say business way connected with a GRA account or something of that sort. Inti ebrebe na wose oma o population no enya ho entiase any inhunumu about some of these things and explain to them better. Say even if the merchant accounts are limited to a certain sect of people wasn't chirimunity mi ba no munya ho entiase ye inti ensem no ayenya bebre entiase bebre nso tiase ne yedi akire ye we tax space on XDN Ghana na meto aso an ma yeden yakọ hu pensem mu ubetimi follow story or Twitter sa nso na mema update ewa ha ya ubetimi nso akọ techintwi na wa check ne ekoso wo honom ye the economy pepa na saying Starlink nso abo awuram wo Ghana market ni mu ye twen say officially omo abebo awuram na omo my Starlink devices omo configure to suit the Ghanaian populace inti ye twen no yemmoa na taxes ene niema bi fa technology ho no yentutu ni ye na aboa Ghana fo nyina inti abusua mesro kai na subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon no send be ya abebi a ye be post no won sabeka na wanya na wakwa akohwe bi meda asemi de besi ya